This is Arthur. He owns a small bakery. He just finished a long shift, but his day is about to get much worse. A young boy throws a brick through Arthur's front window. The glass shatters. The boy runs away. A crowd gathers. Instead of feeling bad for Arthur, they start looking for a silver lining. They say, well, at least this is good for the economy. Now the glazier gets a job. He'll earn $500 to fix that window. Then he'll spend that money at the butcher, and the butcher will spend it at the tailor. They believe the broken window is a stimulus package for the economy. In their minds, the boy is a hero for creating work. Meet Silas, the glazier. He arrives, fixes the window, and collects his $500. Silas is happy. He has new income. This is the scene. We can see the new window. We can see Silas getting paid. We see the money moving through the town. But there is something the crowd forgot: the unseen. Before the window broke, Arthur was planning to spend that same $500 on a new pair of leather shoes. If the window hadn't broken, Arthur would have a window and a new pair of shoes. Instead, he just has a window. The town didn't gain a job, it just shifted one. The shoemaker lost a sale so the glazier could make one. No wealth was created, it was destroyed. We see this fallacy today during natural disasters or wars. Some analysts claim a hurricane is good for growth because of the massive rebuilding effort. Imagine a city that spends $10 billion rebuilding bridges destroyed by a storm. It looks like a boom, but that $10 billion was diverted from schools, technology, or medicine. The city didn't get ahead, it spent a fortune just to get back to where it already was. Destruction is not profit. What did we learn from Arthur's broken window? The seen versus the unseen. Don't just look at who gets paid, look at who lost the opportunity to spend. Destruction is not wealth. Replacing something that already existed adds zero value to the world. Opportunity cost is real. Every dollar spent fixing a mistake is a dollar not spent building the future. Hopefully, you learned something new today. If you want to master financial concepts through stories that actually make sense, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next story.